Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG TV that has WEBos. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. You'll notice in pairing mode, when the light here is blinking 3 colors, blue, red, green, blue, red, green. Okay, so the buds are in a case. Let me open this up and let's see if I get those 3 colors on there. Looks like I get a solid green light here and then it turns off. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode. If I look on the back here, there's a button right here. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold for about 5 seconds or until it starts blinking those 3 colors. Okay, so ready, press and hold, then just wait. Wait, green, red, blue, there it is, go ahead and let go. Now leave your earbuds just like this and shoot over to your LG TV. And you want to go directly to your settings. If you have the settings button on your remote, go that way. If not, go to the home page, click on the home button, and then navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. So let me just navigate over there. Go down, down right there. Settings. And then the settings is highlighted in white right there. Let's go ahead and select again. And from here, on the left pane here, we're going to go down one to sound, and then we're going to OK that on the remote. And now we're going to go down to sound out. You can see the sound out that is coming out of the TV speakers, but we want the sound to come out of these earbuds. So let's select sound out. Now from here, we're going to go down to use wireless speaker, select OK on the remote. We're going to go with Bluetooth device, select that. And now from here, you want to go all the way down. You can see I have a bunch of other earbuds and headphones connected or paired to this TV here, but just go all the way down. And you should see on the very bottom here, see that little spinny thing right there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode, and oh, there it is right there. It just showed up, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Let's select that. It says connecting. Okay, just connect it with the flashing blue lights right there, and you can also see it says connected right there. So there you go, pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.